Alright, today we're going to be installing copper water lines on a brick wall using copper bell hangers. First thing you're going to want to do is drill your holes there for your, is that gunshots?
Hurry up, lay down, boy, lay down. They shooting out here.
Okay, I'll lay down. What do you mean they're shooting? Who's shooting?
I don't know, they're out there shooting at each other. Just get down.
Well, this wasn't in the job description. You didn't say anybody be shooting at each other.
Do you not have a lick of common sense, boy? We're in the hood, okay? People shoot at each other in the hood. Have you never been to the hood before?
I mean, my uncle took me to hoods one time.
All right, well, that's the perfect attitude. That's what we're looking for in this trade. All right, well, lay the fuck down so we don't get shot.
But we're in the basement. Like, how doesn't that mean that we can't get shot?
Oh, yeah. Well, I didn't think about that. But anyway, why are you doing the damn voiceover? Give me the fucking phone. How many times do I have to tell you I'm sick of this shit? You always ruin all the voiceovers. That's why we only get like 900 views. All right, we need more than that. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that, by the way. All right, go ahead and get that measurement there. I'm gonna go ahead and drill this hole. After that, what you're gonna want to do is put in your anchor. Then you can just screw it straight to the wall there. You can put a copper water line anywhere once you know how to use them bell hangers right. That's what I always say. All right, getting right to it. Ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna hurry up and get these copper lines cut. Get them ready for my 1/2-inch ball valves. Go ahead and clean up that copper. Put a little flux on that copper. All right. And don't stop till it's shiny. You know my saying. All right, gonna go ahead and get that pinch there so that ball valve don't pop off. Oop, just like that. Gonna go ahead and pinch it a little more. Didn't quite pinch it enough. All right, look at him go. Look at him go. He don't stop. He don't stop. And just like that, on a bright sunny day, you have
The installation of copper water lines on a brick wall.